Okay, so we've got everything hooked back up, okay? Everything is hooked back on to the back of the actuator. I can't really take that out because it's locked in place now due to the length of the cable, but it hooks on there just like I showed you in the first part, okay? It clips in there, and then it runs down here, okay? That little black piece snaps in right here, all right, and then it hooks on right there on that little lever, and then we pop that little washer back on there, and that took me literally about 2 minutes. Once you get this apart and you start seeing how it works, if you're mechanically inclined at all, you don't really have to be a mechanic, you just have to have a desire to fix stuff on your own rather than going to the dealership and getting charged hundreds of dollars. So anyway, you can see that this does work now. It slides real easy, and it opens and closes that little door, and that's exactly what it's supposed to do. So the next time I turn the air on, either heat or cold, it's gonna blow whatever temperature setting I put it on. So I hope this helped, guys. If you have any questions, just message me.